original recipe, the Brunswick stew, they set off your bait stick, your log was your engine, and we snared our animal. Got them off the ground enough. Guys, welcome back to Whitetail Bushcraft Company. Headshot, guys. Looks like we got some dove for lunch. Nice headshot. I got another one that went down over here. But only thing really to eat on these is the breast. Ain't a whole lot, but in a survival situation, I guess you could get a little more. Eat the legs and stuff like that. But we're gonna cook this one up, guys. And I think I do have another one in the weeds over here I'm gonna look for. But took his eye right out, one shot. Stay tuned. Dove for lunch. Ended up getting two nice doves, guys. I'm gonna clean these up. We'll cook them up real quick. Have me a nice dove lunch. Any North American bird is edible in the United States here, but these doves are one of my favorite. Better than pigeon. Kind of got a red breast to them, but let's get these ready, clean them up, and make us a fire and have us a lunch. Stay tuned, guys. With these doves, you don't even need a knife. I mean, you just start a plucking. You can see the nice big red breast in them, and that breast will just rip right out. You can see how soft their skin is. Just grab it by the breast. You can see what it's been eating, all the seeds and stuff. These breasts just rip right off of these birds. Save the rest of it for coyote bait. We'll singe these little feathers off of here. I like to peel the skin too. As you can see, you don't even need a knife. Pulls out a nice little piece of breast, and it's a red meat. Same thing with the other one. Move that one up out of the way. Start peeling them feathers. You can see they come off with no problem. And just try to grab in front of the rib cage. It's not coming out as easy. Sooner you do it, the better. It's easier to pull them in. Like I say, we'll save that for coyote bait. If you were in a survival situation, I'm sure you'd want to eat everything you can off of this bird. You just start peeling the skin again. You got two real pretty breasts. Nice little meal right there. We'll fire these up, get us a fire going first, and cook these bad boys up. Got us a fire going, guys. It's a little rough. We got some wind and rain like crazy all last night. Everything's wet, but got her going. Looks like the wind's going to help me along getting her burning too. Awesome. Got a couple of nice breasts to cook. I'll find me a stick and cook them on an open fire. Well, all I did, guys, is kind of skewer them through a stick. Gonna have some Dove shish kebabs style over an open fire, all natural. Get these on the fire and have me some lunch. Nothing like fresh Dove. Got cold on us here in Ohio. We had 90-degree weather, high 80s and 90-degree Fahrenheit. Now we're not even getting a high of over 65 today. Nights have been cold, good camping weather. This wood's really damp, so I'm not able to just cook this over some coals, so I'm using the flames too. It's coming along. I ain't had Dove since last year. This ought to be good. Nice little treat. Well, like I say, in a survival situation, you'd want to eat every bit of it. You know, legs, everything. But there's not much meat on the legs or the wing. It's not like a chicken. These are coming along nice, though. Be good. Almost done, guys. Had to put my jacket on, it got a little chilly. I'll rinse my hands off. I just brought a bottle of water out with me, just so I could, if I did get a Dove or two, I could rinse them off and then wash my hands off afterwards. She's coming right along, guys. Looking good, man. Looking real good. Not too bad. Not too bad. They're almost done. Nice and juicy still. I'll cook them a little bit more. Pretty sure these bad boys are done. Just letting them fully cook all the way through. Don't want to overcook them because then you'll end up being a piece of charcoal on you. But these are just right. Still juicy. Get the breast side done a little bit more. And we're ready to eat, guys. Like I said, all North American birds are edible in a survival situation. Doves are probably one of my favorite though. It's a lot like pigeon, but I think they're better than pigeon. A nice red meat for a breast. Alright guys, time for the old taste test. You guys can see the meat in there. They got beautiful meat inside of them. Ooh, they hot. Stay tuned and we'll get ready to eat these guys. Well, these are done. I'll give it the old taste test. They sure look good. Oh man, son, like I always say, just don't get no better than that. Oh man, if you haven't had dove, you gotta try it, guys. It's a beautiful meat. They're a beautiful bird, but I don't waste them. I like to taste them a little bit. Better than chicken. Nothing like game meat over open fire, guys. Just accents the meat. Nice smoky flavor. I'm telling you, that's pure protein right there. Bone in the middle. Man, I wish you guys could taste this. That is some good meat. Get kind of a close-up of what the meat looks like inside. It's a nice red meat. Can't beat it. I love me some dove. Won't be long. A couple more weeks. We'll be out doing some deer hunting. Hopefully get a nice buck. But that's alright if I don't. I still want some doe meat in the freezer too. It's just something to pass some time, do a little dove hunt. Wasn't in the mood for any squirrel this year so far. Dove hunting started here in Ohio September 1st. Can't believe how fast Oak Fall's coming up on us. Once again, guys, I really appreciate all the comments. Really appreciate all the subscribers out there and all the likes and the sharing. Hope you guys are enjoying the videos.
Once again, I'm Nick with Whitetail Bushcraft. I'll catch you on the next video, guys. Keep being out there. Keep getting out there and hunting. Man, is that good.